Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Geography 106, World Regional Geography. Happy to have you in class. As we settle into the new semester, I just wanted to touch base with all of you in regards to what's coming up for the week. I would typically send weekly announcements by Sunday to tell you what is happening in that particular week. Please read them carefully, as they will typically be emailed to you directly when I post them on Canvas. Please take a look at the table below. So here we go. Please look at the calendar found at the end of the syllabus and as presented above. Here's where you'll see the topics being covered this week. Please pay particular attention to Please pay particular attention Please pay particular attention to the due dates for the various activities, assignments, and exams. You can also find reminders for when assignments are due on the calendar Canvas. Here's what's coming up due this week. First of all, this is a fully online class, and it is asynchronous, meaning that there are no live Zoom classes. All activities and assignments are conducted virtually. The syllabus for this class is posted on the course syllabus section of Canvas. Please review it and print it if you wish. I've also posted a syllabus quiz, and you may get 5 extra credit points if you complete it by Sunday, February 7, 2021 by 11:59 p.m. No quizzes will be accepted after that deadline. I strongly suggest that you complete it so you're aware of its contents. I've also sent announcements explaining a virtual icebreaker. This is a non-graded discussion that will allow you to introduce yourself and to get to know your fellow classmates. Please make sure and post your introduction, and make sure you say hi, hello, or hey, or at least 2 of your classmates in class. Please complete this by Sunday, February 7, 2021 by 11:59 p.m. This week we are looking at Chapter 1, Concept of World Geography. Please read Chapter 1, pages 2 to 41 in your textbook. Please remember to review the lectures posted in the modules, read the lecture slides, listen and watch the YouTube narrations of the lectures for each chapter, and also read the respective textbook pages as indicated in the schedule. And last but not least, read the accompanying instructor study guides. The study guide is a condensed version of the textbook. Think of it as the words a professor would speak in a face-to-face class while he lectures. World Geography News number 1 is available on February 1st, due on Canvas Friday, February the 5th by 11:59 p.m. Please read the instructions for this and all the assignments carefully. The main reasons why students lose points is because they don't follow directions. Please notice that for most of the assignments there are deadlines. You usually have 2 opportunities to submit the assignment up to the deadline, except in the exams. Exams need to be taken in a specific window of time. In some assignments, you may be able to submit your assignments up to a week after the due date, but you will lose points for being late. In an online course, you're required to log in on Canvas regularly, preferably daily. I monitor closely your activity in the course, and this is how I take attendance in an online class. If you do not log in on Monday, February 1st, it means that you did not show up to class, so I may drop you. The drop deadline is Monday, February 15, 2021. If for some reason you are no longer interested in the class, you may drop the class, or if you're inactive on Canvas, which means you have been absent, I may drop you. Remember that if you are no longer interested and want to drop the course, it is your responsibility, not the instructors, to drop the class if you are no longer interested. Please read the rules on plagiarizing very carefully. We seem to have an upsurge of cheating and plagiarism in the last few semesters, perhaps due to the fact that classes are being conducted remotely. Be aware that I strictly follow the policies designed to prevent plagiarism, and I strictly enforce the consequences if you are caught cheating or plagiarizing. The consequences range from getting a 0 on the assignment, failing the class, or in worst case scenario, a referral to the dean that in extreme cases could lead to expulsion. Just don't do it. Please take a read to the district's policies regarding cheating and plagiarism as presented in the syllabus. Have a great rest of the weekend. Stay safe and healthy, and we will see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.